Hello, I know I already make. Today I'm gonna make for you cornmeal porridge, but I'm gonna use coconut powder. This is 50 grams, a cup and a half of refined cornmeal, half cup of sugar, granulated or brown, pinch of salt, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm using olive oil. Nutmeg. And some cinnamon leaf. About 3 or 4. You see, when you boil this in the water and let it stay, this makes the porridge really nice. Cinnamon powder too as well. This is a cup and a half cornmeal refined and 2 cups of water. So let it soak for about 30 minutes. About 15 minutes or 30 minutes. That's 2 cups. 3 cups of water. Just gonna crush this. Let's put it in. Add nutmeg. About a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. As much as you like. The cinnamon powder, the same proportion. And a pinch of salt. Not much. And the oil. Using 1 tablespoon. Stir this in. Put your stove gauge on low. Just cover it properly. The objective of this is you just want it to boil and then you can turn it off and just let it soak in it for a little while. Teaspoon of vanilla extract. A teaspoon. It's not too much. This is coconut milk powder, and it says it's hygienically prepared from fresh coconut milk. So look on the, read it. Why did I add oil to this? I find that when you add oil to it in the water while it boils before you add the ingredients, it makes the porridge smooth and creamy and kind of thin and light and soft and all of them good words. Question: why do you soak the cornmeal before we use it? Well, for one, you soak it to soften it you know, cornmeal is dry, and if you put it on the water, it's gonna take a while for it to soak. That's one. Two, if you just put it in hot water, it's gonna create lumps, and it's gonna be difficult. It's not gonna get smooth. So by adding, I'm smelling this, it's awesome. By adding the cinnamon leaf, I'm smelling the cinnamon leaf, that's what I'm saying. By adding cold to hot, that kind of give it a balance, so it's for it to get smooth. It's been like 5 minutes on low, and this has been like 15 minutes soaking. After 10 minutes on low. Very low. Just gonna stir this in. So we soaked it in 2 cups of water, and we added 3 cups of boiling water and a cup and a half of cornmeal. Cover properly, let it stay on very low, like almost off. You gotta put your stove on almost off. Look, that's how low it is. That's how low it is. You gotta keep it very low, because if you don't, it's gonna build up too quick and it's gonna get thick, and you don't want that. You're gonna have to add water, and you don't want that. You want it to be flavorful. You see, with this, the reason why it's important to keep it low and cook it slow, because we're not adding milk, we're just gonna add a powder to this. So this is after 5 minutes. Since we added, okay, it's 20 minutes in total since we added the cornmeal. The cornmeal. You want the cornmeal to break down. Alright, just cover it. Alright, I kind of turn it up a little teeny bit. You can see the difference, because it passed the safe zone. So I just wanted to kind of start building a little faster. Let's look at it. I feel like turning it down and I cannot turn it down a little. So cooking is, you know, you have to gauge up and down and so forth. because the objective of this is that you want to slow boil it. It's 25 minutes. So you want to add the sugar. This thing measure quarter cup, so that's half cup. It's gonna make the sugar go and break down. 13. Let's cover it. Let's let it simmer. Leave. Can't stop stressing. Keep it on low. See how low it is? Almost off. Now it's been. Let's remove these leaves. Cinnamon leaf. Alright, it's been 40 minutes. So just add coconut powder. Add all of it. Let's get stirred in. Coconut powder is not gonna lump. It's just, it's not gonna lump, trust me. Alright, let's cover this. Just keep it simmering on low flame. I don't want you to think I opened this thing, you know. I left it and let it simmer. Lie down. What you want to get. Just a piece of leaf. Alright. See, just cover our back and let's simmer. It's 55 minutes now. I'm just gonna let it go for the hour and then it's finished. Since we had a cornmeal. Alright, we're actually past safe zone, you know, so if you want it to get thick, you can always turn the stove up. Just let it boil. Like that, look. It's gonna start hitting you with this thick, look. Sticky enough. Turn it off. Alright, I'm gonna serve in a bit. I'm serving now because I'm hungry. I'll let warm porridge now fight the gas. Children will love this a lot. Enjoy.